Most people ignore the fine print when it comes to mobile savings features, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming that Cash App Savings works like a traditional bank savings account. Because in reality, it behaves very differently in how it stores, grows, and protects your money. In this video, we are breaking down Cash App Savings in 2026 and helping you decide if it is actually worth using. Let's start with the basics. Cash App Savings is a feature that allows users to set aside money inside the app and earn interest on eligible balances. It is designed to help users save automatically, without moving money to a separate bank. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional savings accounts, Cash App Savings is built around convenience first. That means everything is integrated into your main Cash App balance, making it easy to move money in and out instantly. But here's the problem most users don't realize. Because the money stays inside a mobile ecosystem, it does not always behave like a fully independent bank account. That means your savings are tied to your app activity and account status. Let's break it down step by step. First is accessibility. Cash App makes it extremely easy to transfer money into savings. Users like Alex can move money with a single tap, which makes saving feel simple and fast. Second is interest earnings. Cash App Savings may offer interest on eligible funds, but rates can change based on financial conditions and account eligibility. This means your earnings are not always fixed or predictable like a traditional high-yield savings account. Now let's talk about safety and structure. Your savings are stored within Cash App ecosystem. So while funds are protected through partner banking systems, they are not separated in the same way as a standalone bank savings account. This is an important distinction many users miss. Now here's where it gets even more important. Spending temptation is higher. Because your savings are just a few taps away from your spending balance, users like Jake often find it easier to dip into savings unintentionally. This can hurt long-term saving discipline. Step 3 is automation. Cash App allows you to automate transfers into savings, which is one of its strongest features. This helps users build consistent saving habits without thinking about it daily. In a minute, I'll show you a simple strategy to decide if Cash App Savings is actually better than a traditional bank account for your situation. Now let's keep it simple. Cash App Savings is best for convenience, fast access, and simple saving habits. It is not designed to replace high-yield or long-term banking saving strategies. Let's summarize clearly. Cash App Savings in 2026 is easy to use, flexible, and great for beginners. But it is not always the best option for maximizing interest or building long-term structured savings. The real value depends on your goal. If you want convenience, it is worth using. If you want maximum returns, traditional savings accounts may still be stronger. If this helped you understand Cash App Savings, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.